In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Disney Plus subscription if you subscribed through Amazon. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring it's as easy to follow as possible. First things first, you'll need to sign into the Amazon account that you used when you originally subscribed to Disney Plus. It's important to use the same account because that's where your Disney Plus subscription details are tied. So go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your Amazon account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. You'll want to click on this to reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll find the Memberships and Subscriptions option, or it might be labeled slightly differently depending on your region, but the gist remains the same. This is the section where Amazon houses all of your active subscriptions. Next, you'll need to find your Disney Plus subscription in the list of active subscriptions displayed on the page. This might require a quick scroll depending on how many subscriptions you have, but look specifically for Disney Plus. Once you've located it, you should see an option immediately next to it that reads Manage Subscription, or something very similar. Go ahead and click on this option. Within the Manage Subscription menu, you're looking for the Cancel Subscription, or it could be presented as End Membership. Selecting this option initiates the cancellation process. Amazon will ask you to confirm your decision. Be sure to read any confirmation prompts carefully. These prompts might provide additional information regarding billing policies or any potential perks you might lose access to upon cancellation. At this stage, it's crucial to understand that your Disney Plus subscription won't end right away. Even after cancellation, you'll still have access to the service until the end of the current billing period. So, if you've already been billed for the month, you can continue to enjoy Disney Plus content until the billing cycle concludes. After this period, your access will automatically stop. Remember, canceling subscriptions on Amazon is a straightforward process, but you might receive a few email confirmations or notifications after completing these steps. This is perfectly normal, and it's just Amazon's way of confirming that the action has been successfully completed. And there you have it. That's the entire process of canceling your Disney Plus subscription when subscribed through Amazon, explained in a clear and straightforward manner. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with anyone else who might be navigating a similar situation.